In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload PDF to Claude. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a PDF into a Claude conversation and start getting helpful answers, summaries, and insights from it. First, open Claude. Launch it on your device so you're looking at the main interface where you can type messages. If you use Claude in a browser, make sure your connection is stable to avoid interruptions during the upload. Next, open a chat. You can start a fresh conversation if you want to keep things organized around this one document, or you can continue in an existing chat if that's where the discussion belongs. Having a dedicated chat for a document often makes follow-up questions easier to track. Now, click the paperclip icon, often labeled Attach or Upload, near the message box. This is where you add files to your conversation. The button may appear as a small paperclip or a clearly marked upload option depending on your screen size and interface theme, but it's always right where you type your message. When the file picker opens, select your PDF file. Take a second to confirm you've chosen the correct document, especially if you keep multiple versions. If your PDF contains sensitive information, make sure you're comfortable sharing it in this context, and consider removing anything you don't need before uploading. Most standard PDFs work fine, and typical file sizes upload without issue. After you select the file, wait for the upload to complete. You'll usually see a progress indicator or a small thumbnail appear once the document is attached. Larger files may take a bit longer. Also, keep the window open and avoid navigating away until you see the confirmation that the upload has finished. Once the PDF is attached, you can ask questions about the PDF. Type a clear, specific prompt to guide Claude to the parts that matter most to you. For example, you might ask for a concise summary, a list of key takeaways, or an explanation of a section that's unclear. You can reference headings, page numbers, or quoted lines to target your question. If you need data pulled out, ask for it in a structured way, like requesting dates, definitions, or action items. And remember, you can always follow up. If the first answer raises new questions, just ask for clarification or a deeper dive on a section. That's it. Open Claude, open a chat, attach your PDF, wait for the upload, and start asking focused questions. With these simple steps, you'll turn any PDF into an interactive, understandable resource.